That's me. That's me. I'm Michael Berumen. I'm the director of the Red Sea Research Center at KAUST, and I'm also a professor of marine science and engineering. I was very fortunate to live very close to some wooded areas, and I spent a lot of time in my childhood wandering around exploring all the different critters. When I learned that there were equally interesting things living underwater in the streams and lakes and rivers nearby, I was even more excited about the uniqueness of those types of life forms. And while I was studying in Australia, I realized that there are people who do this for a living, that the marine biology is actually a career. What are the mechanisms of dealing with this extra heat? What are the mechanisms of dealing with this stressful conditions? And what can that tell us about the ability of species in the rest of the world to adapt to these conditions? What gets complicated is really analyzing that in a way that makes sense. The reality is that biologically it's not usually so simple to answer the question of how are things adapted to the Red Sea and why are there so many unique species in the Red Sea. It's never boring, and every week is different, and there's always a big mixture of challenges. I do teach, I do mentor students, advisory roles that we play with government entities and other major stakeholders in the kingdom. One of the keys is having good support teams and knowing who inside of the university you can turn to for help with different types of jobs. It's a little bit like a Disneyland for scientists. So we have incredible facilities for marine scientists. It's even more fun. Our research activities are really productive. I think people around the world have started to hear what KAUST is. You have to come see this place to fully take in what it is.